Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Science with Teacher Jenny. Today I'll show you the differences between animal and plant cells. Okay, so this is the animal cell. Okay. Covering na to ay tinatawag nating cell or plasma membrane. This one. The cell or plasma membrane monitors and controls entry into and out of the cell. It is semi-permeable, meaning pwedeng pumasok at lumabas yung substances. Okay, for example, bacteria, pwede siya makapasok dyan. And then, cytoplasm is the fluid that fills the cell. In the cytoplasm, doon nakalagay yung mga organelles. If you're going to look closely, gumagalaw yung cytoplasm. Okay. Next is the nucleus. Okay, so the nucleus holds the genetic information or DNA for the cell. So ito yung genetic information, yung parang yellowish. Okay? And then, inside the nucleus, nandun yung nucleus. The nucleus is the part of the nucleus that makes the parts needed to build a ribosome. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. It aids in the transport of proteins made by ribosomes, the small structures on the surface. So, ang ribosomes ay yung dot na nakakadikit or attached in the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? So there are two categories of endoplasmic reticulum: the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes attached. On the other hand, rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes attached. The function of rough ER is to synthesize and transport proteins. The function of smooth ER is to synthesize lipids. Okay, next part is the Golgi body or the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi body or Golgi apparatus aids in the modification, packaging, and distribution of proteins that are made by the cell. So next is this one, the blue one. This is the mitochondrion. Singular mitochondrion, plural mitochondria. The mitochondrion is known as the powerhouse of the cell and produces energy to fuel the cell's activities. Okay, so next is the lysosome. Lysosomes act as the digestive system inside the cell. They help break down old or unneeded parts of the cell and substances that have been brought into the cell from the outside. So for example, from the outside, nakapasok ang bacteria. Ang gagawin ng lysosome, didikit siya doon, tapos i-engulf para kakainin na yung bacteria. And then, inside, kung sa loob, i-dissolve siya or i-break down. And then, the next part is the peroxisome. Peroxisomes are small structures surrounded by a membrane. It contains many different types of enzymes used by the cell to produce energy. So, ito yung membrane, may balot siya, and then it contains enzymes that aids to produce energy. Okay. Next to that is this one. Centriole. Centrioles are only found in animal cells. They help chromosomes move during cell division. So, during cell division, centrioles ay naghihiwalay. These are the organelles of the animal cells. Again, we have nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, mitochondrion, lysosome, centrioles, this one, peroxisome, and then yung gel-like fluid, that is the cytoplasm, and the outer covering is called the plasma membrane. Next is the plant cell. Okay, so unique sa plant cell is the cell wall. So cell wall is the thick rigid layer that surrounds the plant cell. Let's hide it. And then ito ang itsura niya sa loob. Similar to the animal cell, plant cell also has cell membrane and cytoplasm. So let's hide it. And then ito ang itsura niya sa loob. Similar to the animal cell, plant cell also has cell membrane and cytoplasm. Meron din siyang nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, peroxisome, mitochondrion, and only in plant cell, itong kulay green. So if you notice, may mga kulay green siya. This is what we call the chloroplast. Okay? The chloroplast is a food producer for the plant cell. It converts the energy of the sun into sugar. So this is where photosynthesis happens. Okay? And then, plant cell also has a vacuole. A vacuole is a large fluid-filled space inside the plant cell. Okay, so mostly ito yung nagtitake up ng space sa plant cell. Vacuole. Dito store yung liquid. The reason why yung plants ay sometimes fresh sila because maraming nakastore ng liquid sa vacuole. So again, the organelles are nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondrion, Golgi body, peroxisome, then lysosome, then the biggest part is vacuole, then the green part is the chloroplast. Well, I hope ay natutunan kayo sa video lecture na ito. Huwag kalimutang i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel at i-like and follow my Facebook page for more video lectures like this. Thank you very much for watching. See ya!